Hello, bosses! In this video, you will learn how the messaging system works. You can add a Contact Me button on all of your pages, so your website visitors and clients can reach out to you with their questions. Your clients will open it up to put their name, email address, and their message. After the message is sent, on your dashboard, you will see the indicator that shows the number of messages you have received. To view the message, simply click on it. You will also have all the conversation history here. Unread messages will have a white background, and old ones that you have already opened will have a gray background. To reply to the message, click on this button over here. Type your message and click Send, and the message will be sent to the person's email address. You can delete the message or the whole conversation with the person simply by clicking on the Remove button here. If you want to change the text or color of the Contact Me button, for example, to Contact Sam, and make it red, go to the Page Settings section and click on Texts, Colors, and Fonts. Here, you will have a Contact Me button section, and you can change the text on whatever you need. Let's change it to Contact Sam. On the top of the section, there will be a Contact Me button color section. Simply click on the color box and choose the one you need, or type your color code here. Now click Update and you will have an updated version of your button on your main page. If you don't want to have a Contact Me button on your website, go to the Page Settings section and click on Profile Details. Here, you will have the button for it. Switch it off and click Update, and the button will disappear from your main page. You can also decide to have or not the Contact Me button on your appointments, events, products, or service pages. Go to the Booking Pages section here, click on any appointments, events, or products and services. Choose the page where you want to turn off or adjust the Contact Me button and click on Edit. Here, go to the Profile Details section, and here you have the button for it. You can apply global settings, which means it will duplicate the button from your main page. So if your main page doesn't have the Contact Me button, by applying global settings, your product page will also not have the Contact Me button. If you want your main page to have the Contact Me button and individual page not to, simply switch off the global setting and Show Contact Me button will disappear from your individual page. Or if you want to have a Contact Me button on your page but want it to be different from the one on the main page, switch off the global setting and click on the Show Contact Me button over here. Then go to the Text, Colors, and Fonts section. To change the color of your button on your individual page, click on Color Customizations, and here you will have the Contact Me button color section. Choose the color you need in the color box, or type in your color code, or by switching on the global setting, it will apply the same button color as on your main page. To change the text of your Contact Me button on the individual page, go to Text Customizations And here, you will have a dedicated section for that. Again, you can switch on the global setting and it will apply the same text as it is on your main page. However, the color will be different if you have changed it. To change the text, switch off the global settings and type whatever you want it to be. Let's say we want it to tell contact support. Here we go. Now, click on Save Settings. And that's how it will look on your individual page. Alright bosses, that is how the messaging system works.